very nifty email hack that I'm about to show you that makes it seem so much more human-written. So I have this smart referral module here, and basically the way that it works is I will take this message and I'll email it to myself, and then I'll email it to the person that just filled out the form. New request from company. Notice that it's a it's not like the first email, it seems like a reply. This is important because we want people to think that this is like buried in a reply. Then I say, hi, name. Nick asked me to reach out to you. We just got your audit request a moment ago for blank. I'm Example, his automation partner, and I do all of our audits and scoping. Just want to say I'm looking forward to meeting you and learning a little bit more about company name. Talk soon, Example. The magic here is in this forwarded message section. What I did is I actually recreated a forwarded message so that it appears as if this is a forwarded message that I sent to my referral partner and that my referral partner is now following up on for me. So it makes it seem as if I'm really on top of my shit, essentially. I pass off the request and I make it seem super customized so that my referral partner has basically my support. And this has worked really, really well so far.